Hi, my name's Zoe Cameron. I'm your artist this week, and because bats have been in the news a lot recently, and I think we're all going a bit batty, being stuck inside the house so much, I thought we would make a clay and mixed media bat, which will look something a bit like this. Okay, so this week we're going to be using paint sticks, air drying clay, seeds, nuts, found objects, beans for eyes and ears, bits of sticky back vinyl, little bit of wool, pencil, scissors, stick and paper. In your paint sticks you will find nice instructions which show you all the very good things you can do with your paint sticks, and we're going to try one thing to make the wings, make some nice patterns. Choose some light bright colours, and I'm going to just try and play around mixing different colours. I'm going to do lots of bananas because I think that's like fruit, but you can do whatever you want. Just choose some lots of nice bright colours. Let's get some. But you can play and try and make different marks and see what colours blend in together. You can be quite free. It doesn't matter too much now what you do. Just have fun. Try and make lots of nice colours. Maybe use this one, blue. Okay. Right. So now I'm going to choose dark colours, and we're going to go over some dark colours. And then hopefully you screw it up to get it out more. And use a stick and you can draw nice drawings. You can see the colours underneath coming through. I'm going to do a bit more with dark blue. Let's try that. Oh, it's quite nice colours, isn't it? Look at these nice colours coming through. Do some more drawings. Some circles maybe. Bananas. Right. So now you've covered all your paper. You'll keep going with different kinds of colours. And now what you're going to do is you're going to draw a bat wing. So we're going to start here, go up, like that, down, down, there. And then we're going to cut around that. Doesn't matter if it's not exact. Because bat wings come in lots of different shapes. And if there's a little bit of difference, it will make yours more with more personality. So you've got one shape now. Now what you want to do is put that shape down on your paper and draw around your shape. So draw around that shape with your pencil. So you've got the first wing, and we're going to make the other wing. We're going to put it down on the paper and just draw around that. And then you cut around that one. There we go. So now we have 2 bat wings. We're going to get a bit of sticky back vinyl, cut it into 2 rectangles, and we're going to peel it off. Okay. And we're going to put that on here. It goes over, fold it over, and the same for the other one. That's been put on, folded over. So now we're going to make our bat body. So we've got the clay. I'm going to give it a little roll. This is air drying clay. You can give it a little roll, a little pat. And we're trying to make it into a bat body, so it wants to be a little bit rounded, a little bit long. And we're going to use some corns for eyes, I think, for this one. But actually, you could use chickpeas, or you could make a hole. Play around with what you want to use for eyes, but I'm using the corns. And so now you've got a bit of a funny face. So this is where you could use pistachio shells for the ears, but I'm going to use, for this first one, a bit of card. Just make a triangle. Make another triangle. Doesn't have to be exact. And then you get the paper. Just stick it in there. And stick it in here. There we go. And you give it a little squash just to curve it. Then you've got a funny eye. If you want, you can always make a dot with your permanent marker. So now we're going to just do a little bit of fur. And go all the way over. And we're going to place the wings on the side. Whoopsie. Okay, 1, 2. And get the wing and pop it in. There we go. And we're going to pop this one in the slit. And give it a little squash just to make sure it's holding the wing in. And there we have our bat. So, to make the bat stand up, by the way, you can put feet if you want on this. Okay. There we go, that's feet, and you can do some nice dotty tummies. Now we're going to get a bit of wool. We're going to wind the wool around the top of the stick. So it's all wound round. And this stops the clay slipping down the stick. So we're holding the wool on the stick, and we're going to just get the bottom of the bat and we're going to push it in, not all the way through, push it in a bit. There we go. So it's a little bit in. And there we have a bat. If you want to use different eyes, it will give different expressions. And you can always use a yogurt pot with a hole in the bottom to make a stand, so that it's... There's your bat.